So every trader knows that the conventional forms of QE or quantitative easing are beneficial to the markets, create pretty bullish conditions for pretty much everything. But quantitative tightening can be rather damaging. However, we're currently witnessing the biggest wave of quantitative tightening that for some reason no one is acknowledging. And it is yet to bring the entire financial system down to its knees. Now, let me break this down. This time, unlike the financial crisis in 2007-2008 transition, is literally the bubble is popping right in front of your eyes in the crypto markets. And why is it happening? Well, you've got the greatest quantitative tightening in the crypto history is unveiling right in front of your eyes, and people are sitting there still hoping for quantitative easing to take place. So this is the form of quantitative tightening that is not coming from the Federal Reserve. The type of quantitative tightening that I'm referring to is the fact that you got meme coins that people are pumping gazillions of fucking dollars, and they're losing money within moments, within minutes. It all started in a big way with the Trump coin. It all started with the Melania coin, and now it is escalating to the Libra coin with the president of Argentina completely wiping out hundreds of millions of dollars from the crypto community. So just between those three coins, guys, we're talking about billions that were wiped out in the liquidity from the crypto market. And yet an average crypto trader is just sitting there thinking, well, why is this shit dropping? Why is this? This is the biggest QT that crypto markets has ever seen. And the reason why this is happening, well, not many people want to buy Bitcoin at 100K. So they go in and they scout for these easy money, easy trades, easy games, okay, something where they can go and flip, something with astonishing returns, and occasionally someone may get lucky, but the reality is, it's crippling the markets because majority of the people are losing. I've give you the stats on the Trump coin where, majority of the people were losers when Trump launched his coin. You heard a lot of great stories how people made millions, but what you didn't hear enough about is about a substantial larger number of people that lost their ass completely on Trump coin. And some of these people that bought high, they're still holding on, which means they are reluctant to sell. Let's say they bought Trump coin at 40, 50, 60. They're reluctant to sell it because now the shit is trading down to $15, $20. And so they're hoping that the shit is going to go up. Not to say that the Melania coin is even doing way worse, and people are still got their money tied up in that in the hopes that at some point the shit is going to go up. Needless to say, we're going to see this cycle, and I'm not referring to the cycle that most of the traders are referring to, guys. You come to 30 Market Moves to get some information that nobody else is telling you about, and what everybody else is focused on is the fact that, hey, the Bitcoin dominance, the cycle of Bitcoin dominance is about to come to an end, and meme coins are going to benefit. All the altcoins are going to benefit, like Ethereum and Solana and all of the, all the second best to Bitcoin and the third best and the 10th best, to Bitcoin. They're going to actually outperform Bitcoin. But that's what everybody's brainwashing you about. The reality is what's happening now because of this, I wouldn't even say it is a self-inflicted quantitative tightening in the crypto markets that's taking place right now, but in a grand way that is happening because you got the president of the United States launching the coin, launching Melania coin. You got other presidents, which I predicted were going to follow this Trump steps, and they were going to do the same thing. And so the big thing over the weekend, of course, ton of people complaining how they lost money on the Libra coin that was launched by the Argentinian president. So basically, you got a pretty wild setup where a lot of people going in on these coins. Why? Well, because, how could you go wrong on a Trump coin? I mean, the president of the United States is launching a coin. How could you fucking go wrong with that? Well, with the exception that human behavior and greed and psychology does not change. I mean, it is the same meme coin. The only big issue here is people are putting a lot more money into a meme coin that the president is launching, the president of the United States, the president of Argentina, and they're going in and committing much greater amounts of capital in the expectation of much greater reward. But the functioning of these meme coins, it doesn't change. It's a pump and dump, guys. You know, we've tried to launch